Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. In my last video, we were watching how the price line of IOTA was very close to break out a very long-term resistance of a symmetrical triangle, but it is still moving under that resistance. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether are we going to break it out or we are going to test the support of this triangle again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line is moving under this resistance since after April 2021 and above this support after December 2020. And for more than a year, this support is not broken down, and this resistance is also not broken down since after April 2021. Right now, we are again at this resistance, and we had a powerful attempt to break it out, but unfortunately, we are likely to be rejected once again. If we switch to the daily time frame, then we can watch this rejection very clear. And even though we had the spikes beyond this resistance, but the price line is rejected. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then it can be seen that we have found a a nice uptrend line support. If I connect all these candlesticks, then you can see that the price line is traveling above this support line very well. And we also found a resistance here. So this is another symmetrical triangle, a very small symmetrical triangle under a very big symmetrical triangle. This is on the 4-hourly time frame, and the bigger one is on the weekly time frame. Now, if the price line breaks it out, the resistance of this triangle, then there will be a really very high probability that we are going to break out the next resistance of the big triangle on the weekly time frame. Because if we take a look at the target for this triangle, the smaller triangle, then our next target after the breakout can be here approximately $1.63. And you can see if the price line moves there, then this is our bigger resistance of the weekly triangle. It will be also broken out. Now, if we switch back to the weekly time frame again, then there is still a bullish divergence on this weekly time frame, as the price line is forming lower high than previous high, but the RSI is setting higher high than previous high. And even if we switch to the daily time frame, there is also a bullish divergence can be seen. This high is higher than the next high, but the RSI is forming next high higher than the previous high. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, and here a hidden bullish divergence is flashed, we can see that the price line is forming higher lows. But on the other hand, if we take a look at the RSI, it is forming lower lows. That is the hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame. Therefore, we can expect that the price line can break out this resistance of the 4-hourly time frame, and also on the weekly time frame, the triangles. And after breaking out these resistance, we can expect a very, very big move once the price line will be able to break it out. This big triangle, it depends from where it will break out. For example, if it will break out from here, then our next target after the breakout will be approximately $4.02. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.